Are you ready to meet the ultimate blend of style, performance, and nostalgia? The 2026 Honda SL70 is not just another motorcycle. It's a statement on two wheels, bringing the classic charm of Honda's legendary bikes into the modern era. Today on C-Motor, we're diving deep into every detail of this stunning machine. And by the end of this video, you'll see why it's creating so much buzz among riders and enthusiasts alike. From the very first glance, the 2026 Honda SL70 catches your eye with its vibrant red and black color scheme that perfectly balances boldness and sophistication. Honda has paid meticulous attention to every curve and angle, making sure the bike doesn't just perform well, but also look striking from every viewpoint. The clean, minimalist lines of the frame combined with the modern touches of LED lighting make it a perfect combination of classic design and contemporary styling. Underneath that eye-catching exterior lies a powerhouse of engineering. The SL70 comes with a refined engine that delivers smooth acceleration, impressive fuel efficiency, and a riding experience that is as fun for city streets as it is for weekend adventures. Whether you're commuting, cruising, or just enjoying a casual ride, this bike adapts to your style effortlessly. The lightweight frame and nimble handling give you complete confidence, whether you're weaving through traffic or hitting open roads. Comfort is another area where the 2026 Honda SL70 excels. The ergonomically designed seat ensures long rides are never a strain, while the responsive suspension smooths out bumps and rough patches with ease. Every detail, from the easy-to-read dashboard to the thoughtfully placed fuel tank, shows Honda's dedication to rider experience. You're not just riding a bike, thoughtfully designed machine that makes every journey more enjoyable. Safety and convenience have not been overlooked either. With advanced braking systems, bright LED headlights for better visibility, and a sturdy build designed to last, the SL70 ensures you feel secure on every ride. It's clear that Honda has combined decades of experience and innovation to produce a bike that is as reliable as it is exciting. The 2026 Honda SL70 isn't just about performance and design, it's about reconnecting with the joy of motorcycling. Its retro-modern style evokes a sense of nostalgia while embracing the technology and efficiency of today's engineering. For anyone who loves motorcycles, you're looking for a two-wheeled companion that delivers style, comfort, performance, and reliability all in one package. The 2026 Honda SL70 should be at the top of your list. From its powerful engine to its sleek design, it's a bike that truly stands out in its class. Stay tuned with C-Motor because we'll be bringing more in-depth reviews, close-up looks, and detailed performance insights about bikes like this. Trust us, the 2026 Honda SL70 is a ride worth experiencing, and we can't wait to show you everything it has to offer.